Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare aloo ka paratha. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 2 cups of atta, that is normal flour that we use, wheat flour, and 2 cups of maida, all purpose flour. So total 4 cups, and I have mixed them. Salt as per our taste. I'll be using oil. You can use butter also or ghee to fry your parathas. I've taken boiled potatoes. This is half kilo boiled potatoes. I have boiled them nicely and peeled them. 2 medium sized onion finely chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Fresh coriander leaves chopped. Green chili. I am using only 1 green chili finely cut. If you wanted the paratha to be spicy, you can add more green chilies. So the first step, friends, let's make the potato first. So with a masher, I'm going to mash the potatoes. Here I have mashed the potatoes. Now I have heated 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add the onions, sliced onions, chopped onions in this. Green chilies. Saute this. After sauteing it for a minute, friends, we will add little bit of fresh coriander leaves. And then we are going to add the boiled potatoes, the mashed potatoes. I'll put the flame into medium. We'll add salt as per our taste. Black pepper powder. And now we are going to fry this potato along with the onion and the green chili. After sauteing it for 2 minutes, I will add the remaining fresh coriander leaves. You can check the salt now. And then now I will mix this again and cook for 1 more minute over medium flame. Friends, when this potato mixture it starts leaving the pan, so that means it is ready. So now I will transfer this to the bowl. Here the potato mixture is ready, friends. Let it cool down. Now let's knead the dough. So here I have taken the atta and the maida. We will add very little salt, just a pinch of salt, because we have added salt in the potatoes. Little bit of oil. And now we will knead the dough with lukewarm water. Here, friends, I have made a dough, soft dough for the parathas, and we will shape it into balls like this. Here I have taken little maida to roll the dough. So we'll take the first ball and we are going to press it. The sides We'll press the sides. Gently press it like this, and again we'll press the sides. Now we will take a spoon of the potato stuffing, a little bit more, and then we will roll the sides like this. Fold them and then gently we'll take the maida, we'll coat the paratha dough in that, and now we are going to roll this. So after stuffing it, you will have to roll it like this, like the paratha, and we will keep it aside. I will follow the same procedure for the remaining dough. So friends, here I have rolled out the parathas. Now I am going to fry them. So let's heat a pan. So here I have heated little oil. I have just greased the pan with the oil, and now I am going to add the parathas. So I'm going to cook the paratha nicely from both the sides. Now we'll flip the paratha. Apply oil a little bit this side also. So friends, here is our aloo ka paratha ready. Serve it hot. As you can see, the potato is equally coated. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.